Karioi. Mani, ini mani. Follow.
No, Michelle, Katie Church. You know, the first time we talked, well, you hit me up first. But I told it, this is it. You know, I really like to meet people for a reason. You know, but when I met you, it was a blessing that I met you. You know, things happened in the past. I wish I can go back and change it, you know. But to be honest with you, I'm glad that everything happened for a reason. If I would have picked up a pen in 2004, if I would have missed the bus in 7th grade, I don't think I would ever got you. Okay? You know, I made you a promise before that I was going to make it to you. You know, I told you that I was going to make it to you. You know, the first time we met, there was a vibe that you had. And I wanted to be a part of that. You know, there's this energy that you got that I want to be a part of. You know, you've inspired me to be a better person. You showed me things that I never knew. In the short amount of time that I got to know, you showed me what love is. You made me happy. You made me smile. I act goofy in front of you. I'm comfortable around you. You know, I'm blessed. I got to know you and got to meet your family and your friends. I'm beyond blessed. You know, these are some of the reasons why I'm hoping that you'll spend the rest of your life with me. Michelle, take you on baby. Will you marry me?
Let's go and play basketball.
Does it fit?
You guys are mean.